Hi and welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Namaskar friends. My question and very important question that many YouTubers might have not given proper answer and hence you have been still confused whether to delete your video, unlist them or make them private. You are watching this video because your mind is still confused, and hey friend, don't worry, here in this video I will clear your mind 100%. Watch this video with great interest because it is valuable. Well, in this video I am going to explain in details what happens when you delete, private them and unlist them. First, public videos can be seen by anyone at YouTube. You didn't know that? Sorry, I know you know that. Now, private videos. Private videos and playlists can only be seen by you and the people you choose. Your private videos won't appear in the videos tab of your channel homepage. They also won't show up in YouTube's search results. YouTube system and human reviewers may review private videos for ad suitability, copyright and other abuse prevention mechanism. And now let's know a little bit more about unlisted videos. Unlisted videos and playlists can be seen and shared by anyone with the link. Your unlisted videos won't appear in the videos tab of your channel homepage. They won't show up in YouTube's search results unless someone adds your unlisted videos to a public playlist. You can share an unlisted videos URL with other people. The people you share the videos with don't need a Google account to see the video. Anyone with the link can also reshare it. Now, here is the most important tip, an actual story. Now listen. This is what my client did with his unmonetized channel. Let me explain. My client's new channel had reached YouTube's threshold of channel monetization, that is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. He was happy to finally achieve this target in nearly 7 months of his channel's launch. He was waiting for YouTube to say, "Congratulations, your channel is monetized." But there he was. He made a big blunder, mistake. He deleted some old videos that were having just 50 to 100 views and he kept the longer viewed videos. And what happened next was, boom, his watch time decreased to this. See the watch time now from 4,000 to this presently. Now again, he has to work hard and get to 4,000 watch time. Hard work again. Now, many questions will come in your mind. You have seen the result when you delete your videos. No matter what, if your videos are original and not copyrighted, then any videos should not be deleted. Keep them where they are. It does not matter. Delete them if you don't mind of losing views and watch time. And who knows, of course, money. Lastly, it means deleting videos is a loss of watch time, loss of money. Therefore, you decide what is the best for you. So, hope you got your answer in this video and the confused mind is clear now. Let's wind up this video here. Ciao, see ya, bye bye and take care.